Skymen Vapor Degreaser is a precision industrial cleaning solution combining solvent immersion, vapor cleaning, and ultrasonic cleaning. Equipped with PLC control, the system utilizes a multi-tiered containment design for maximum safety. The automatic lid seals the inlet as soon as the cleaning basket enters. Within the fully enclosed housing, a dedicated set of sliding lids secures the tanks, ensuring the entire cleaning process operates in a completely sealed environment to prevent solvent diffusion. The cleaning process begins in the boiling sump on the left, where heated solvent creates a dense vapor that rapidly dissolves oils and grease. The condensed water and solvent drip into the groove and flow into the water separator. Then, the cleaning solvent flows back to the ultrasonic tank on the right. Utilizes powerful frequency cleaning and spray cleaning to eliminate stubborn particulates. And the filtration system continuously maintains solvent purity as the cleaning cycle completes and the basket is lifted. The top condensing coils ensure instant drying. This automated closed cycle process is engineered for maximum efficiency and superior results.